I don't know where that fish went. There it is, right in front of me. I saw two sitting in front of me, paired up. I cast it down, drifted an egg down in there, and one of them sucked it in. I hope I can keep them on the hook while I traverse these rocks. I'll let them get a little tired out. If I don't fall down first. Come back here. I got my drag set a little tight. I'm going to loosen it up. Trying not to hurt myself. Still got him on. Not a good hook in him, or he'd have got off by now. See if I can work him in between them rocks. Not a real big fish, but all right. See if I can get down there closer to him. I'm gonna steer him right in here. Come on. Come on. Okay. Now, give myself some slack. Okay. I got my ass down to this fish. I don't have my pliers. Go ahead, be free. There he goes. All right, got one on the table for the day.